Hello everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Toes. Well, we're not really cooking with our toes, but you're cooking with toes. On today's menu, we're cooking chicken and dumplings. Now, this isn't your grandma's recipe, might not even be your mom's recipe, but it's kind of cooked from home scratch stuff, and it's kind of not. It's more or less a shortcut. This is a special request from my buddy Annie Peterson. She loves chicken and dumplings as much as I do, and I promised her I was going to make some this Saturday. So I hope you enjoy this little short film. Thank you. So, normally I would use a whole chicken for this process, but this time I feel like cutting corners. We're going to use a chicken breast, and we're also going to use chicken thighs. So that way we can have a combination of white meat and dark meat. Next, we're going to add us an onion. Go ahead and chop your onion, slice and peel it. I don't like to dice mine too much for chicken and dumplings. This is a perfect size. Go ahead and make your life easy and get you some minced garlic. You know, sometimes it can be a hassle peeling the garlic and dicing it up. Then go ahead and add your spices. The spices that I use are...
Don't you say that!
Well, I guess my mom's spirit didn't want me to reveal that, so go ahead and add whatever spices you like to your boiling chicken here. Be sure to add 1 bay leaf as well. Add your lid, reduce heat, and go ahead and let it cook for about an hour 15. Now, once your chicken has been boiling for about an hour or so and it's separated from the bone, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Get you a separate bowl and a strainer, and go ahead and strain the cooked chicken from the broth and let it cool down. For this next part, you're going to have to get your hands dirty. Here you will be deboning the chicken and making sure all parts are shredded finely. So, here we go. Now after your chicken is deboned, you're going to add the broth back to the pot. Then you're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken. Then you're going to add 1 can of cream of celery. Then you're going to add 64 ounces of chicken broth. Next, you're going to pour a glass of your favorite white wine and you're going to drink it. No, I'm just kidding. Next, you're going to pour a glass of your favorite white wine and you're going to pour it into your broth. This is something else that your grandma probably doesn't add. I'm going to add it this time. It's the chicken and dumpling meal sauce and seasoning mix. Go ahead and give this a try too. Then add a half of a stick of butter. Yes, a half a stick of butter. Then go ahead and add your shredded chicken back into the broth mix. Then go ahead and stir all your ingredients until it starts to boil again. Now good, this is what you want. You want your broth boiling again. Make your life easy and get some pre-made dumplings. I like to cut my dumplings in a wedge shape. You can cut yours how you choose. Like my mom told me, this is the most important part of the step. Add the dumplings in 1 by 1 while you have your broth cooking. Very important, 1 by 1. Then add your peas and carrots. Some people can use frozen or fresh. It's your choice and it's optional. Then go ahead and get you some celery. Chop your celery up and go ahead and add it to your broth. Let it simmer at a low temperature for about 15 minutes and then remove it from the heat. Then after it's all said and done, go ahead and put it in a bowl and get you a big old heaping and eat you some of that good old southern chicken and dumplings. Thank you everybody for watching my presentation. You can call me Toes. Have a good night.